माननीय मंत्री जी।
मंत्री जी कहाँ है? नायडू जी।
माननीय मंत्री महोदय बताइए।
इंट्रोडक्शन बोलेंगे सर। आई इंट्रोड्यूस द बिल फॉर कंसिडरेशन सर।
हम देखिए ना, ये देखिए, बोलिए आप थोड़ा।
सर वो शुरू कर। नहीं वो बोले सर।
अरे थोड़ा बोलिए, बिल पे बोलिए तो इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिए बिल।
Honorable Speaker sir, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce Bharatiya Vayuyan Vidheyek 2024 in the House sir. Sir, this bill aims to regulate and control the design, manufacture, maintenance, possession, use, operation, sale, export and import of aircraft alongside matters connected therewith or incidental thereto sir. Sir, just to give a brief update on why we had to bring the bill. Sir, the bill is from a pre-independence era which has been brought in 1934 and it was called the Aircraft Act. The Indian Aircraft Act, which was brought in 1934, has gone under several changes over the years. And in fact, up to the tune of 21 amendments were made and 21 number of times where there have been changes brought to these through various sections which were amended in the Act also, sir. Now, because of this, the whole structuring of the Act itself has led to a lot of ambiguity, contradictions, and in terms of the powers and functions of certain internal organizations like the DGCA, BCAS, and other provisions which are supposed to be there in the Act, they are not well structured. And because of this, there was a dire need to structurize the whole bill into a structurize the bill once again, sir. And that is why we have brought the Act again, making a lot of changes, bringing a lot of structure into this. And that is why I would like to introduce the bill again, and I'm open to all the suggestions. I'm open to all the suggestions that the members are willing to make, and I open the forum for discussion, madam, for the bill.
माननीय सदस्य श्री अदूर प्रकाश जी।
Thank you, madam. Thank you for having given me this opportunity to participate in the discussion on this important bill. The legislation aims to overhaul and modernize the regulatory framework governing civil aviation in India, replacing the Aircraft Act of 1934. Sir, I welcome very effort to achieve highest levels of safety in the civil aviation. But it has to be pointed out that the aviation sector of the country is facing with many issues.